Welcome to the recipe kit video. As you can see, these beautiful fruits and vegetables as well as flowers were harvested at the EcoSource gardens. You can use whatever fruits and vegetables you have on hand.
Hello everyone, my name is Marge and welcome to EcoSource's Teaching Kitchen.
My name is Maya.
And I'm Daniel.
Today we're going to be making rainbow rice paper wraps.
You'll need rice paper wraps,
Veggies,
Rice noodles, and nuts and seeds of your choice if you want to add crunch and protein.
Here we have Daniel cutting up a pepper. Don't forget to remove the seeds and cutting it into strips. So the reason why we want to cut the veggies into strips is to go with the shape of the wrap, and it would allow you to roll it better. You can even use a peeler to peel the carrots instead of cutting it. This is great for accessibility purposes or even if you're not confident in using a sharp knife. So we want a clean and wet surface just because when you wet rice paper, it does tend to be very sticky and you don't want it to stick to your rolling surface. Here Maya is adding this edible flower named calendula. Using a spoon would allow for easier peeling with the ginger.
thank you for cooking with us.
we hope you enjoyed this recipe.
Remember to tag us at EcoSource Green and share your own creations with us.
Till next time.